Hi everyone, this is Lady Vintage Bags here. Today I'm coming at you with a reveal video. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss every time I put up a video. So let's take a look, shall we? What have we got? Dun, dun. We've got a vintage Louis Vuitton Monceau bag in the black epi leather. And it comes with gold hardware, and the gold hardware in this bag is really nice and shiny still. And this bag is from 1995. So I've always loved this bag, and I did own another black epi Monceau in the past, but the condition wasn't as nice as this, and I also did not get the original strap with the last bag. So I up conditioned and got myself a nicer condition bag. So this is what it looks like from the front. So take a look at the epi leather on this one. It's really nice still, really good structure, doesn't have loss of shape. Really nice, beautiful hardware. So it does have the S-lock closure. Not too much tarnishing. Look at that beautiful LV there, and it says Louis Vuitton there. So this is what the top looks like. So we've got a really small top handle. So I can squeeze my wrist under there, but just barely. Or we can just hold it like that. And we've got these swivel D-rings on the top, and they've got Louis Vuitton engraved into them. The glazing on this bag is in really nice condition. I don't know if you can see there. So we've got really good shapes here on the top. Really nice glazing. Here it is along the bottom. And you can see it's really got good structure because it's still folding inwards nicely. And also glazing here. So one thing that's unique to me about what I look for in a bag is I really like structured bags that can stand up on their own without the need for any stuffing or anything holding it up. So my previous bag had, my previous LV Monceau had some structure loss, so it was no longer able to stand up on its own, and that really annoyed me. So I'll just demonstrate this one on my shelf here. So this bag can stand up on its own there, and I just really love that. That's just a unique thing that I look for in bags. And you can also see here on this strap, it's got Louis Vuitton engraved into the strap too. So here's some mod shots of the bag. So this is what it looks like as a crossbody bag. So I've got it here on the shorter setting, and I'm 156 centimeters or about 5'2" or 5'1". I'm not exactly sure what it converts to. And this is what it looks like as a shoulder bag. So I'm really happy with this bag. I've owned a Monceau for about a year already, so I know I like the style. But what I was looking for was just something in a better condition to what I have, and I found it. And here it is. And also I did not have the original strap with my previous bag too. So I was really happy to get the original strap with this one. So I've just got some stuff in it at the moment. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just one large main compartment plus a small compartment here. Both compartments are completely leather lined, so it's really easy to clean up and take care of. There's a zippered compartment here. The lining was previously peeling and sticky, but it's now been cleaned up. So it's got just this greyish fabric in there. That was just what was left after taking off the sticky lining. Monceaus do not, vintage Monceaus do not have a back pocket. This is a really beautiful messenger bag for anyone who likes these satchel types. It looks like a mini briefcase. This is a really good option. It can be a unisex bag. It'll suit everyone really, and it's suitable to use in a professional setting too. I mean, the large gold S-lock might be a bit too flashy for some, not for me though, but otherwise it does not have logos everywhere. It's quite plain, or you could just wear it backwards if you don't want that S-lock showing. So I'm really happy with this, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you have a Monceau, or have you been looking at a Monceau? I'd love to hear your thoughts below, and if so, what color are you after? Thanks for going through this review with me, everyone. Have a nice night. Bye.